Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we'll be going through the process of creating subtasks in UPBASE, the project management tool of choice for many teams. The first thing we need to do is log into our UPBASE account. This gets us into the main dashboard where all our projects and tasks reside. Signing in allows us to access the specific project where the subtasks will be added. Now that we've done that, let's navigate to the task we want to add subtasks to. This helps us because by creating subtasks, we're breaking down larger tasks into manageable chunks. This makes it easier to track progress and allocate responsibilities. We simply click on the task where we want to add a subtask. Then on the right-hand side of the screen, we will see an option that says Add Subtask. Click on this, and a new field will appear where you can enter the name of the subtask. The reason we do this is to organize our tasks better and ensure that every aspect of the task is accounted for. Next up, we assign the subtask to a team member. This is crucial as it ensures that every subtask has someone responsible for it. We do this by clicking on the Assign button right next to the subtask. A drop-down menu will appear with the names of all team members, and we can select the appropriate person. Then, we set a due date for the subtask. This is done by clicking on the calendar icon next to the subtask. This helps us because it gives a clear deadline for when the subtask needs to be completed, improving efficiency and accountability. Finally, remember to click on the Save button at the bottom of the subtask box. This will ensure that all the information entered is stored and visible to everyone on the team. This is crucial because it allows everyone to stay updated on the task's progress. And there you have it. We've now successfully created a subtask in UPBASE. Remember, organizing tasks into subtasks can greatly improve your project management and team coordination. Thank you for joining us in today's tutorial. We hope you find this guide helpful in your project management journey. Keep exploring UPBASE for more features and keep enhancing your productivity.